Here is the Diamond Aircraft DA62, but the model number is QF006. This is another one of those 2-channel. It's a RTF, ready to fly, but it is also a DIY, a do-it-yourself airplane. So it does come fully unassembled, so we have to put it together. So let's quick open this box up and check out all the parts that come in the box. We have a couple manuals here. It looks like the one manual is in Chinese and then also in English. Ooh, I love the color of this plane. Check out that color. That's pretty cool. I like that color. We have the controller under here. Now this is 2.4 gigahertz. It does require 3 AA batteries. Get these little bags of parts out from the back side of the packaging. Now this one is one that will require being glued. But let's get the rest of the plane out of the packaging. It is very nicely packaged. Okay, there's the fuselage. And then we have the outer part of the wing, because the inner part of the wing is mounted to it's all one piece. It's all part of the fuselage there. So most of this plane will require glue. So I have my Bob Smith Industries foam safe glue. And then I also have the Insta-set, the accelerator, which it works pretty much instantly. I almost forgot. I have the USB charger. So let's take a look at all these parts that come in here. Okay, quite a bit of plastic parts. It looks like some of the plastic parts are screwed together and then some of them are glued together. Here is the bag with your propellers. It also comes with your landing gear, and then there is your left and right motors. So I assume that the battery would be found in here. Yep, there it is. We got a 3.7 volt 300 milliamp hour LiPo battery, but you get a lot of parts in the box. Hopefully we didn't lose anything, but let's put this together. Okay, so we have the GD006 from Diamond Aircraft. We finally have it all together and it looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. The only thing is that Insta-set stuff, you have to be a little careful with it, because if you get any residue on that painted foam surface, it kind of bubbles the paint. So I have to be a little more careful with that, but other than that, the plane looks pretty good. I like the way it looks. The only thing that I noticed is it is a little tail heavy. So I have a battery in and it's resting on the tail. You can see the front wheel is off the ground just a little bit. So I hope that doesn't really affect the takeoff or the flight or anything, but I did notice that it is a little tail heavy.
But let's go ahead and turn this on. We're gonna turn this controller on, up, down to bind. And I came up here before I was taking off from there, but it's kind of uphill. This is more of a flat runway, so I'm gonna try taking off from up here. See if we do have a bind. Yep. Oh, there. When I did the propellers, the plane actually sat level now, so I don't know. All right, let's try and get ourselves angled pretty good here so we can get a good takeoff. Now I do have a little bit of a breeze, so hopefully it doesn't affect it too much, but here we go. Oh, and we're up. We are up. I do. We're going down. We're going down. Oh man. Oh, the walk of shame. Oh, there we are. Oh, we have a bent landing gear there. We'll have to straighten that out a little bit. Okay. So now I guess we'll do a hand launch because we're in the middle of the field now. To be honest with you, I flew this plane yesterday as well, and it flies for a little bit and then it just stops flying. Oh, I think I'm in their yard over there. Oh, there it is. I'm nose diving. Here it is. So let's give it a few more hand launches here. Hopefully we'll be able to keep this up in the air, but here we go. Let's switch to big rudder mode. That's that top button there. Now I'm flashing, the LED is flashing, which means I'm in big rudder mode, and I have to, it like cut out on me there. So I am accelerating. I'm full acceleration right now, and I am lifting off. Now, being in big rudder mode, I thought it would turn a little harder than that. I'm turning to the right and it wanted to go to the left. So now it's nose diving. Let's turn to the left a little bit here, because for some reason turning to the right does not want to work. See, I'm turning to the right and now it's going to the left. Now I'm finally turning to the right. There's just a little breeze going. Now I have it under some pretty good control now. But I don't know, over there it was, see, it turns to the left pretty good. Now here, let's start going to the right. Well, now it's making a liar out of me. It is not banking as hard to the right as it does to the left. Let's see if the trim is off. I'm gonna just let off the turning and see which way it wants to drift. Here we get a good idea. And it does drift to the left a little bit, so we're gonna trim it to the right, and that is this button right here. And trim it to the right, and oh, maybe that did take care of it. This is the longest I've had it in the air. I had to do a few trial runs with this. Not that I was trying to do a trial run, but I was just out flying it to do my review. And actually this isn't too bad of a flyer now that I got my bearings straight with the controls. Just took a little bit of getting used to. I got it all trimmed up now, and now it wants to fly pretty good. Still in big rudder mode, and let's go back into small rudder mode. See if we see a huge change. Honestly, I don't really see. Okay, I just switched in big rudder, and I mean, maybe it turns a little sharper. It's not hugely noticeable. Uh-oh. I gotta try and get it back. Oh man. Don't go in the tree. See, I don't know. Maybe it's the range. Maybe I'm out of range. I don't know. It seems when I get pretty far away that I lose a lot of control with it. Okay, I am not going to try and land this on the runway because I have discovered that I am not good at it, and also that walkway is really narrow. It's hard to line yourself up and get yourself right in line. So we're just gonna come down in the grass just like that. That was a pretty nice soft landing there. All right, I could fly this thing around for a while because the batteries in these planes last a pretty long time. You could probably get close to anywhere between 15 to 20 minutes of a flight out of these batteries. Do got a lot of grass stuck on the bottom here, but anyway, that's it for this Diamond Aircraft GD006. Pretty cool plane. It did have a little bit of issues where it would cut out and then it would just nosedive. When you did get it in the air and keep it in the air, it flew really good. Plus it looks awesome. I love the way this thing looks. I love the colors, and then I also love the battery life. So yep, you got to take the good with the bad, and there's more good than there is bad. So I'm gonna put this in for the September giveaway. And how the giveaway is going to work is, if you want this RC plane to be the giveaway for September, then go ahead and smack that like button, because I made other videos of other RCs for the month of September, and the RC that has the most likes at the end of September, that's going to be the giveaway for September. So how do you enter the giveaway? Well, all you do is just comment down below, and your comment is your entry. You have to comment on the other RCs if you want to get entries in on those as well, because I'm only pulling comments from the most liked RC for September. So whichever one that's going to be, you have to have a comment on that video for you to have a chance of winning that particular RC. So thanks for watching. Good luck in the giveaway. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.